This is a boat that was a recent purchase. Had multiple issues. It came in, it wouldn't trim. One part of your trim switch was bad, which we replaced, and one relay solenoid on the power trim was bad, so we replaced them both and the switch. It wouldn't start because the sensor inside the distributor wasn't telling it to fire. As you can see, it's pretty well rusty and corroded, so it's got a new one of those, a new coil. The lower unit had water in it. It was really bad. The shift shaft seal was replaced, prop shaft, and this seal on the water pump, and that's the old impeller, so it's got a new impeller also. And it's not liking to shift because it's got an inner shift cable problem. We've told the owner about that, but they're gonna use it without reverse. Go ahead. Go. Starts and runs and sounds pretty good. Trim her up a little. Trim her down. Trim down works. Starts and runs. Pop it in forward. And we'll show you what happens reverse. The inner shift cable kicks the stutter switch and kills it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Go ahead and try reverse. Try reverse again. Go ahead and go forward. One more time, try reverse. It just doesn't have reverse. We've explained it to the customer. It's going to take a inner shift cable before that starts working right. So that's the mechanism that trips the motor, kills it when you shift gears. So that's the inner shift cable and the shift cable and the junction, and where the stutter switch is, kills it. So they can use it like it is, everything will be fine. It's running great, but it needs an inner shift cable at least.